Hi, I'm Lewis and I'm a member of the Water Quality Sampling Drone team. In the past, we've been very inefficient in our ways of collecting water samples. For example, through the use of boats and helicopters, it is very expensive. With the use of our water quality sampling drone, as can be seen here, we're going to make things a lot more cheaper and more effective. We've made some recent developments that we're going to show you throughout this video.
So this is our front-end application for the water quality sampling drone. Essentially, here is some instructions on how to get started. Here's the testing sequence button, is what you're going to be mainly interfacing with in order to start the testing sequence process. Here's the geolocation of the drone. So in real time, this is going to be updating with the location of where the sample was taken. This map will then eventually be larger at the end. Here is some dynamic data that you could play around with. So once the drone operator enters his name, it'll then log that data here, and then you could always export this to a CSV file. Finally, here we have the nitrate concentrations. This is all dynamic data as well, so once incoming data gets sent, this will then be updated in real time as well.
So this is the current system level diagram of the operational model of our drone. We're currently using a dual pump system with a solution reservoir and a microfluidics testing environment. The idea is to have an intake water pump that would move the liquid to the testing environment, where the solution reservoir would dispense the liquid in order to get to the nitrate levels that we had discussed previously.
As previously seen, our system is more cost-effective and more efficient than the ones in place today. We are bringing the lab to the field, and through the use of LoRa, we can visualize dynamic data in real time.